me, I tell him only partly. I only live my bed and my mama, I'm sorry. Very good, I even got it tatted on.
Hey guys, it's Miriam, and today I am going to be sharing my VidCon essentials, tell you guys what to bring to VidCon, and share some of the tips that I've learned from going last year. And I kind of wish that someone told me what exactly to bring, because that would have helped me a ton. So here I am being that person to help you guys out and tell you guys what to bring. So hopefully you guys find this video helpful, and let's get started. So I would highly recommend taking a backpack with you or a handbag, but I would say backpack. I didn't take one last year, like on the first day of VidCon, but I seriously wish I did. So I brought it on the second day, and it was so helpful just carrying it around my back, and it's probably the easiest way to put all my things into. So please take a backpack if you are going to VidCon. So the next thing that you will definitely need, which you cannot forget, is your VidCon pass. This is what's going to get you into the actual event, and you can pick these VidCon passes by either printing out your VidCon ticket or having it ready on your phone to get it scanned through to pick up the passes either on the Friday before VidCon or the actual VidCon weekend, the Saturday or Sunday. Highly recommend going on the Friday though, because the lineup for Saturday and Sunday is massive, and I remember when Shelby and I walked past the registration point, the line was so long on the Saturday, and we were just so glad we did it on the Friday. So it's definitely worth going into the convention center to pick up your pass on the Friday before VidCon. Along with your VidCon passes, at the registration you will receive wristbands as well if you participated in the meet and greet lottery. The volunteers will put those wristbands on you for each meet and greet that you have, and you are not allowed to tamper with them or take them off until you have met that featured creator. So do not be tempted. You are going to have to shower and sleep with them. They're going to be a bit annoying, but it's going to be worth it. Just don't touch it or anything like that. And yeah, you will get these wristbands when you pick up your VidCon pass as well at the registration. Next thing you're gonna bring is your phone. Honestly, who's even gonna forget their phone, because everyone's on their phone? But you're gonna be taking a lot of Snapchats and Instagram photos and stuff. And also, I would suggest you downloading the VidCon app on your phone so you can like look at what panels are on next and meet and greets and stuff like that. So it's very handy to download the VidCon app. Along with your phone, you should definitely bring a portable phone charger. If you don't have one, you can pick one up from Typo. They're about $30, I think, but they are so worth it. Just remember to bring your like cord to connect your portable charger to your phone to charge it up. And just guarantee that your phone is going to die, because last year at VidCon, my phone nearly died like within the first 3 hours. So I was really glad that I bought my portable charger, because it saved my life, like literally. Next thing you should bring is a water bottle, because you're gonna get dehydrated because you're gonna be walking between panels and Q&As, walking to meet and greets, walking to go get food, walking to meet up with friends, all that stuff. Water and food at the convention center is expensive, so you want to bring a water bottle with you so you can be hydrated whenever. I would also suggest you guys wear some comfortable clothing and shoes. For shoes, I would suggest wearing sneakers or runners, but seriously, you're going to be walking around a lot and you don't want to be uncomfortable. But if you're like me and you want to look cute, because I wore a denim skirt and a crop top in winter for VidCon, and I was freezing and I regretted it, but I looked cute in photos, so that kind of made up for it. Bring a change of clothes, bring like leggings or jeans or something that you can change into after you've taken photos and stuff like that. So you can be comfortable at least halfway through VidCon. Next thing you should bring is a purse with money in it, because VidCon sells like merch and stuff. So if you are thinking of getting merch, you'll definitely need money for it, obviously. Speaking of merch, I would highly recommend you guys to bring YouTuber merch with you for a YouTuber that's actually going to VidCon. So for example, I've got Anna Rakana's book here, and Anna's actually going to VidCon. So if I was to meet her, I could get this signed. So that's why I'm telling you guys to bring YouTuber merch if you would like something signed. And also, if you're going to a Q&A with that YouTuber that you've got merch for, and you want to ask a question, put your hand up while holding the merch that they, like their merch, because they're more likely to pick you to ask a question because you've got the merch like held up. So just a tip that I've learned last year, which I will definitely be doing this year. Next thing I think you guys should bring is a packed lunch. Like I said, water is expensive, so food is even more expensive. But luckily we have Crown right next to the convention center, and there's fast food restaurants inside Crown. So you can obviously go and get something from McDonald's or KFC or whatever, but definitely do not buy anything from the convention center if you want to save up your money, because food there is really expensive. Next thing, which I have no clue why I didn't mention this at the start, is your vlog camera, especially if you're going to vlog. At VidCon, everyone's got their camera out vlogging, and it is the best thing ever. So don't forget your vlog camera. And along with your vlog camera, I would suggest bringing a vlog camera tripod. It's going to be so much easier to just pop your camera on top of it and just vlog holding the tripod. That's what I do, and it is just so much easier. Next thing is a VidCon guide. I think you get these when you get your passes and your wristbands and stuff. And the VidCon guide, kind of like the VidCon app, will have all the panels and Q&As listed and where they're at and like what time they're on, meet and greets, and like what's on, what VidCon's all about, and just like all the information you need for VidCon will be in the guide. So make sure you take that with you. But if you forget it, don't worry, it's all in the VidCon app, which is why I told you guys to download it. And the last thing that I've got on my VidCon essentials list are headphones. Sometimes you're not gonna have a meet and greet or a Q&A or a panel or anything to go to. There may be like an hour gap or something where you're not doing anything. So you might want to listen to music or something like that. So that's why I suggest bringing headphones with you. So that is it for my VidCon Essentials video. Hopefully you guys found this helpful, and hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, and be sure to comment down below if you guys are going to VidCon this year. And also be sure to subscribe to my channel down below. I do post new videos every single week, and I will definitely be vlogging at VidCon, so expect some VidCon vlogs very soon. Also be sure to follow me on Instagram. I will be posting a ton of VidCon photos on there. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!
You can't take my youth away.